Hi guys, how are you? I hope everything is all right and you're having fun with your family and friends. So I'm here again. I am sharing with you two thoughts. One is I'm going to create another playlist because I'm nearing my journey to go home and do my retirement life. So my retirement life, I plan to have a simple life and at the same time enjoy what I really like to do. I like to have a little garden, or have a little, place that I can plant trees and share with them with people there. And I have a project that I wanted to do about one or two. And then in my home I have simple living, simple things that I do almost every day that I can share with you. So that's the topic for today. Share your light and love and joy to the world. And you can also share your heartaches or whatever it is, but as we just go along, okay? Now, so for those who are new here, please listen to the video to the very end and then click like and share and subscribe and the bell icon, and so that you'll be notified for new videos. And for everyone, I would like to hear from you. Please place a comments in here down below, and that I will respond to you as quickly as I can. We have our life also, our real life at the same time. We have time difference, and there's a lot of factor why sometimes, and I can't even find also some of your comments because your comments are somewhere in all those old videos and the notifications, because I also subscribe to a lot, so the notifications will cover it, so I can't find it. Anyhow, our life experiences have made us stronger and wisdomful, and that these lessons we have learned from life through the years are valuable stories to be heard. I'm sorry, I'm fast. Maybe not in this generation, but maybe in the next generation, but I think even this generation, because our experiences can help them with whatever it is that they have similar experiences, and can make them to decide what's best for them, give them a tool or a way of making decisions for their life. So we have learned our life stories, our decisions and all that, problems and everything for the past 50, 60 years, 70 years, and we can share them to the world, and that is a valuable, priceless gift we can give to them, and they are free. So these life lessons have taught us to love ourselves better than we did before, and to share this love to our family and friends. So if we feel that our stories and voices need to be heard, go ahead, do it. Share your stories to the world. We're not going to live forever. So while we still have the mental and the physical capabilities that enable us to give inspiration to anyone, strike while the iron is hot. Be useful in this lifetime. Even us seniors have something to say, to tell, and to share our stories to others, that it can be helpful for them one way or the other. Rumi, the Persian poet, wrote, "You are not a drop of the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop." That means that even a little drop, there's a lot of things in there that you have to be discovered in a microscope. So why not make it bigger and share it to the world? So it means to me that no one is insignificant if one is serving his purpose in life. Your time, here is little, very little. But if we can give a little of our, whatever it is, wisdom, experience, love, sharing, it is going to be big, because little by little, the cup will be filled up. So maybe we go unnoticed, but it will eventually give roots from the tree somehow. So do not mind the put down, the grabbing naysayers, the criticisms, and all negative reactions. No, because that's your life. They have their own, so they must have a reason why they disagree with you. So go and make someone smile. Lift their spirit. Revive a dream. Soothe their aching thoughts with encouragement and kindness. So I'm not gonna make this very long. And as I said, I'm going to make shorter videos. So as we go through the pathways in the road of life, we meet people who touched our life in many different ways. It is time and proven. It is true, proven that each encounter will become a memory. In those memories, they may be ugly, but there will be something that are beautiful, funny or sad, precious and endearing. Whatever kind of memory you shared to the world, it is remembered. And what would you like for them to remember you by? So this is it for now. Good luck. God bless. Take care. I love you.